Let's say you have a team of product designers. We work with a product leader at a growing SaaS company. Recently, the company announces a new head of product. This new head of product calls a meeting with our client and her team. The purpose of this meeting is implied, but abundantly clear. Sell me on your team and sell me on what you're doing. We sit down with her and we co-design a workshop to prepare her team to run the gauntlet. Here's the game plan we come up with. First, we work the professional passion and power bite elements into compelling introductions to them and their work. We run the vision exercise to help the team articulate a powerful product vision and the impact of integrated data solutions. We run the preparation protocol to get absolute clarity on the goals, risks, and opportunities of the upcoming session. We apply the 8 steps to presentation excellence to the formal presentation design and rehearsals. And we unpack the question and message curriculum and run Q&M simulations. The team leans into the workshop 120%, and by the end of the day, they can't wait to bring their story to the new head of product. Well, the client sent us an email the other day. The meeting was a grand slam, and they have secured all the resources they requested to speed the development of their product roadmap. Now, that's great news, but it's not the end of the story. We know that the next time they're called upon to put the team in the spotlight to communicate their impact and value, they'll have a process in place to come together and win.